Welcome back. My name is Robbie Weidman, and this is Project 6 Data Dashboard Part 2 for the Spring 2026 CodePath WEB-102 Intermediate Web Development course. This is building upon our Data Dashboard Part 1 from Project 5 last week. I've had to wait an extra day to record the video because I pulled the API so much I got throttled and I couldn't make the video when I got finished yesterday. So start off with here's some of our required functionality that we had to add, we had to build upon before. You'll see that I still have all of these data cards, got the search bar, all that kind of good stuff. So clicking on an item in the list view displays more details about it. So the rules for this one are clicking on an item in the dashboard list navigates to a detail view for that item. And that the detail view, you got to go down under the charts to get to the list though, but we'll get to that in a second. Detail view includes extra information about the item not included in the dashboard view. So let's go here. You can pick any of these and they'll highlight now. And they go to pointer, click on it. You get extra details page. So the detail that includes extra information is, well, the description of this one was bad timing on my part just now. Let's pick something, say, from SpaceX. There we go. The description. A batch of 29 satellites for the Starlink mega constellation. SpaceX's project for space-based internet communication systems. And the same sidebar is displayed in detail view as well as in dashboard view. This is just a basic sidebar. We weren't told to make it navigable or anything like that. But this just kind of tells you what to do. Select the launch to open its detail page. That's a big thing. And if you go back here, it's the same exact one. So we met that one too. To ensure an accurate grade, your sidebar must be viewable when showing the details view in your recording. Well, we got that just now in both of those. Perfect. So the next one is each detail view of an item has a direct unique URL link to that item's detail view page. So let's go back one. And as you can see here, this generates its own special one, special URL. And if you look, we'll just say, so this one ends in A4F, and this is Falcon 9 Block 5. So please don't throttle down. There we go. If we just go over here to, let's see, Skyroot Aerospace. This one is 44E, completely different, right? The whole thing's different. So we got that. And we showed that in our recording here just now. So that's good. That completes that part. The app includes at least 2 charts developed using the fetched data that tell an interesting story. Here we go. Launches by provider, SpaceX. Let's see. I need to work on the details there, but that's the China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation. You can barely read it in that white box there. I guess I need to double check my CSS. Rocket Lab and Roscosmos here, Russian Federal. Yeah. Okay, cool. So at least 2 charts have been incorporated. So we have launches by provider or vendor, however you want to look at it, Canadian Air. CAS space? Is that Canadian Air Service? I don't know. Launches by status. Go for launch. 6. To be confirmed. 4. To be determined. The rest of them. Because we're only pulling 50 down, and that totals 50. Each chart should describe a different aspect of the data set, and it does. So we got that down. Okay, the following optional items, or features, are implemented. The site's customized dashboard contains more content and explains what is interesting about the data. So right here we added this. These charts highlight which providers dominate the upcoming launch schedule and how launch readiness varies by current status. Okay. And that's the additional description. And then this says the next one is the site allows users to toggle between different data visualizations. Specifically, it states that the user should be able to use some mechanism to toggle between displaying and hiding visualizations. Sorry about that. So yeah, that's what the hide charts button does. It goes boop, and I'll hide your charts. You want to show charts? Boom, there's your charts back. Cool, right? I don't think I really did anything else extra special for this. I renamed it to Orbital Watch Plus. A little nod to everybody going like, hey, it's Disney Plus. Hey, it's Hulu Plus, or whatever they do. I don't know. Discovery Plus does one. But this one's not paid. This is all free, although, it's not technically an active site. And it just says explore. I think I changed this a little bit here too. It says explore upcoming launches, filters, response. Oh, and speaking of filters, all the filters still work. Yeah, so we want to look at stuff just by the China Aerospace Cast C. There you go. It switches the charts, and you can see all this Long March. Hey, I remember playing that in was it Space Agency. That's why you get to orbit. Anyway, speaking of which, Artemis made it back successfully. That was pretty cool. Yeah, that's all I've got for you. Thanks for watching. Again, my name's Robbie Weidman. I'm in the spring. Did I say? I hope I said spring at first. The spring 2026 CodePath WEB-102 Intermediate Web Development course. Thanks for watching. Take care now. Bye-bye then.